Hello and welcome. In this lesson, let's continue our discussion on text functions. The first function we will discuss is called find. It allows you to look for a subtext within a text. For example, you could look for the text ample inside the text sample text. You can use the find function as follows: equal to find b6, b4, 1. Here b6 is the text that you want to look for, b4 is the text in which you would like to look, and 1 means that you want to start looking from the first character of sample text. You can see that the output of this function is 2, which means that the text ample was found in the text sample text at position 2. So that's how the find function works. Now here is another example. Let's look for the text O in the text in cell B4. So I can write the function as equal to find B6, B4, 1. When I click enter, you can see that the output of the formula is 2, which means that the text O was found in the second position of the text in cell B4. Now notice that there are 3 O's in the text in cell B4. And you can see that the find function has returned the position of the first O. What if you want to look for the second O in cell B4? The answer to this question is fairly straightforward. All you need to do is start looking from after the place where you found the first O. So I can write the formula equal to find B6, B4, 3. So this formula will look for the text in cell B6, inside the text in cell B4, starting from the third position. And this gives you the location of the second O. Now, there is something really smart that you can do here. In this formula, instead of entering the argument 3, I can give the cell reference B8 plus 1. This is because the cell B8 contains the location of the first O and I want to start looking from the next character. The beauty of this formula is that you can use the same formula to find the location of the third O and the fourth O and so on. If I copy the formula and paste it in the cell B10, I get the location of the third O. Once again, we are looking for the text in cell B6, inside the text in cell B4, and we start looking from after the position where we found the second O. Notice that because we have used cell references in all our formulae, I can change O to T and the same formula will work perfectly well. The next function is called search. The search function is quite similar to the find function and can be used to find text within text. For example, I can look for the text ample inside the text sample text using the search function. I can write equal to search B6, B4, 1, and I get the output as 2. Therefore, the search and the find functions are quite similar. The main difference between the search and the find function is that the find function is case sensitive while the search function is not case sensitive. For example, if you look for the text ample inside the text sample text using the find function, you get an error. This is because the text ample is in uppercase while the text sample text is in lowercase. On the other hand, if you use the search function, you get the output as 2. This is because the search function is not case sensitive. Note that there are some other differences as well between the find and the search functions, but those differences are beyond the scope of this discussion. So we will stop here for this lesson. We learned 2 functions, find and search, which can both help you find text inside text. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time and thanks for watching.